Welcome to How To with Miss Knight and her pups. Meet the crew. Miss Knight and her pups Sandy and Ollie will teach you how to do fun things around the house. Today we will learn how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. There are lots of fun ways to make a PBJ. You can use different jelly, different peanut butters, whatever kind of bread you like, and you can even add extras. But we are going to focus on just the basics. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You will need peanut butter, jelly, slices of bread, and a butter knife. Remember to always wash your hands before you handle food. Step 2. Use your butter knife to spread peanut butter on one side of a slice of bread, like this. Step 3. Get another slice of bread. Just like with the peanut butter, you will spread the jelly on one side of the slice of bread, like this. Ollie is getting impatient. Is it peanut butter jelly time yet? No, we have to put it together first. Step 4. Put the bread together so that the jelly side is touching the peanut butter side. You did it! Good job! Now it's peanut butter jelly time.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Thank you for joining us. I can't wait to see how you make your peanut butter and jelly. And let us know what you would like to learn about next in How To.